Okay folks, welcome back to another adventure. Reckless Viking Adventures! Kyoto.
Reckless Viking Adventures.
And also here, where is he? Over there somewhere, is Razor Twisted Exploring. And today this looks like an old pub, I think.
This is a new one, Chris, hasn't it?
Oh, bloody hell. Nice to see you on the inside. To the men's bogs. Just get my mask on. Ooh, bloody hell. I'll have a pint of piss, please. Hey, there's a barrel of laughs in here, wasn't it? Hey. There's a barrel of laughs in here. Hey, and other people just want to club it.
Good place for trouble.
Yeah. Trying to steal my joke.
You know why your dad trips are strong, don't you? He wants kids.
Yeah, because I am the dad of a million kids. Looks like they got bad rats in here. They just keep on coming, guys. They just keep on coming. So.
I see it. There's a sunset on the stairs.
Oh, yes! I wonder if that works. Just picture all this busy. Everyone all sitting here getting bevied. Talking about their life stories, how the partners do the wedding, how the jobs do the wedding. Cooking for friends. Nice graffiti. Oh, if only there was ale behind that bar. Yes, guys, look. I love Christmas. A bit creepy in this light, isn't it? Yes. Lovely. Good stuff. Birthday cards. 2 pursuit cards. Floorboards are kind of falling apart here. Nothing really in here. I've taken all the carpet up. Private. Obviously not. A John. Oh. This must be the living quarters kitchen. As it's got wallpaper on the walls. Not the best wallpaper. Something to be enamoured of on their walls. These must be the living quarters. For some reason I can smell food. Sounds like Dave's upstairs. Oh. Is that a photo? Let's venture upstairs. just used up here for storage, doesn't it? What? The what, no what?
Do you remember?
I can't remember.
Right, you put a dragon's head on here, and it would travel to the front, and then spin round, and then travel to the front in He-Man.
Oh.
I'll find a picture and I'll show it.
Yes.
Yeah, it was all He-Man toy.
Just looks like the old Christmas tree. Empty toolboxes. This looks like storage. Oh, books that. A Time to Die. Christmas. There's a part of the Christmas tree over there. Another Christmas tree. Is it me or can I smell food? Can anyone else smell food?
I was going to say, it's too crude for my video.
Do you remember we did that place on the docks and it was facing that rubbish tip?
Oh, yeah.
And I said it smelled like a roast dinner.
Yeah.
It actually did. Newspapers. What's the date on these? July 17th, 2011. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at that now. I went past it before. Oh yeah. Stained. Duplicate book. Just seen a box of leaf for milch. Leaf for milk, it's a drink, but there's nothing in it. It's just
yeah.
Baby clothes. Yeah, it's because it's open to the elements, isn't it?
It's outside.
Yeah.
Lights fixed in?
It is, isn't it?
Maybe oil? I don't know. Is it warm? I'm sure.
I used to have a. Do you ever remember the monster? And it was purple. Purple monster thing.
Can you guess what? Do you remember what toy that's from? Right there? Yeah, I had the dragon's head on it there. Go forward. And then spin. And then go forward.
Never seen it.
He-Man?
Oh, He-Man!
Yeah.
That's what I was like. Oh yeah, you're older than me, aren't you? Yeah. I think you were in your 20s or 30s when He-Man came out, Dave.
Oh, no problem.
Mustang V8 Owner's Workshop Manual. What was it, Shadow or?
No. I saw you walking from my eye. I looked up and it's like you went there.
What's that noise? Hear that? I thought weird vibrating noise. That's dodgy ass wallpaper there. Oh, it might have been a van or something going past. What are you doing, Dave? Yeah, I just looked at that then before. I love this Father Christmas here. Ho, ho, ho. Or as my son would go, it's a ho-ho. It's a ho-ho. Anything that's Christmassy goes, it's a ho-ho. It's a ho-ho. Behind the bar, oh, Frosty Jack's there. Hey Dave, there's not a lot of spirits in here, is there, Dave? God. And what's this place, Dave? I didn't see from the outside.
Oh, this place is
A hotel? Oh, that'll explain the rooms. I thought, bloody hell, whoever owned this had all upstairs to themselves. Oh. Another Halloween party 2011, so we'll take it this was when it was shut. Not long after this, 2011. Right, well. Is it? I'm gonna have a look now. I cut the video before, but there's more to it. Let's have a look down here. I forgot all about the basement. How unprofessional of me. Nice. It must have been around Christmas time, maybe. Might have been the last time this place opened. lunch menu. There you go. One course £5.45, two courses £6.45. So for an extra £1 you can get an extra course. That ain't bad. I'll tell you what, there's too much racket down here. Oh dearie me. God, who remembers this film, guys? Carry On Film Collection. Used to always watch these with me nan. Carry On. Big open space. Just a void. Yeah, I just said people are making too much racket down here. Racket, do you get it? Oh yeah, days to Christmas. Such a shame, like. Paint's been destroyed. We have some tinsel. Christmas teddy. Oh God. Oh, God. Now that's the end of the video. Shot transporter.
Yeah.
Okay guys, time to go again. Get ready for my outro. Okay guys, that's the end of that episode of this hotel. I'll put what it is in the video. You know what I mean? So from me, Reckless Viking Adventures, Curative Exploding, and Razor Twisted Exploding. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just here. And leave any comments down below. Like and share and subscribe, guys. Help the channel out. Follow my Facebook page as well, Reckless Viking Adventures. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh!